Finally, we are coming out of a year of COVID. Local businesses are opening up again. We at Dolphin want to help local businesses to thrive. We have developed a toolkit that can help small businesses get back on their feet by themselves. AI-powered DolphinDeals is a revolutionary tool that will do all the work for you, so you can focus on what you are good at, run your business. Post-COVID, every business needs a strong online and social media presence. AI-powered DolphinDeals make it easy for anyone with no expert knowledge in Google ranking or social media, still achieve expert-level results. At a fraction of the cost of hiring a digital marketing agency. You have a full view of your business activity in one dashboard. You can manage it yourself or we can manage it for you. The dashboard gives you a snapshot of all your activities. So you will know where you lack and where you need to improve to increase your sales. Make your customers aware of your products and services, improve your listing in 50+ listing sites, manage all your social media promotion, communicate to your clients via email, improve your review ranking all from one single dashboard. The best part is to track your progress anytime. Dolphin is a leader in hyperlocal marketing with our OOH Plus mobile retarget technology. We even give you a free reward app that will help you reward your loyal customers and send coupons. Email us at sales@dolphin-digital.com to get this exclusive offer or call us at 469-759-9309. Let the power of AI drive your business growth. Let's rebuild our economy one small business at a time.